Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and my sidekicks. Both Sienna and Wyatt are here. They're engaged. They're ready to do this, right? Are you ready, Wyatt? You ready? Come on, dude. Wake up. Wake up. Say hi. There you go. I'm super excited because my Glamour Jewelry Box is here. Love this subscription. Glamour Jewelry Box is such an awesome jewelry subscription. Zena wants to go somewhere. Maybe she just wants a chance to say hi again. I love this subscription, as I said. Such a great, awesome value for the cost. So you get 3 pieces of jewelry every month for $29.95 plus $3 shipping. Or $3.50 shipping, excuse me. You do get this every month. If you do sign up for the quarterly subscription, so if you pay it at the quarterly rate, you will actually get an extra bonus jewelry box worth $25. And on top of that, I of course have a coupon code for you. And if you use my code, which is HAPPY, you will also get a free gift worth $25. So anyway, I love this subscription. Always have so much fun with it. You get 3 pieces of jewelry for your $29.95. You can also, if you don't want to do that, you can also sign up for 1 piece of jewelry a month as well, I believe, for $14.95 if they still have that deal going on. But I get the 3 pieces per month, and I love this subscription. I look forward to it every month. They usually send a nice collection each month that you can wear together, so a set. And you do fill out a profile, so if there's a specific metal that you would like, so if you prefer gold or silver or rose gold, you can let them know. And it's usually mixes it up from month to month. Sometimes you get statement jewelry, sometimes you get delicate jewelry. So anyway, it's always a nice surprise. So first thing I see is this little card. And it says, "A girl should be 2 things, classy and fabulous," by Coco. That was a Coco Chanel quote. "This month's jewelry was selected to make you look and feel classy and fabulous. Get ready for a fun time. Glamour Jewelry Box." I like to feel glamorous. How about you? Oh, gold. I see gold. I see gold. You always get little cards inside your little jewelry pouch that holds all of your jewelry pieces that tells you about each of the pieces of jewelry. So I will go over all of those as I open each piece. So let's do this. First up, and you always get earrings, necklace, and a bracelet. And I'm going to do the bracelet first. Look how pretty this is. So this has a pretty design in the metal within the gold here. It is a crossover, and it does have an opening here, so it would be adjustable for you. Very pretty. Take off my necklace while I'm thinking about it, and let me put this bracelet on. Look how pretty that is. So it is harder, so it is a bangle, but it is adjustable. So even though it had that tiny little opening, I was able to slip it right on my wrist. I think that's really pretty. A nice piece that would go with just about anything. So this is called the Division Street Cuff, and it's by Laurel and Rose. And it says, "This sleek and modern cuff pairs perfectly well with any style." Okay. They agree with what I just said. The Division Street Cuff is as chic as it is classic, making it a jewelry box staple. So the retail price is $26. So for your $29.95, you generally get a set valued at $75 or more. So this first piece is worth $26. Cool. All right, let's do this necklace first. Second. I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm saying. So here's what I'm looking at. Get it out of the wrapper. Everything does come inside your pouch, but it is individually wrapped, as you can see, to make sure that everything comes nicely. And this is very pretty. It is a infinity necklace. Look how pretty that is with the pretty little stones there. Hopefully it's coming across on camera. That's very pretty. Very pretty. It does have a lot of room to adjust the length of the necklace, which I like. And I like the clasps on these necklaces because I always have an easy time with my nails, which is not always the case with much jewelry. Very pretty. I'll give you a closer look at that. I like that. Very simple, elegant, would go with a lot. What do you guys think? And this is called the Rylee necklace. The Rylee necklace is a timeless piece that is a perfect grab and go option. This necklace is stunning and simple to wear as it carries a subtle sparkle and shine. And the retail price of this one is $28 and it is from the Sophia collection. I think it's very pretty. Stands out on the black I have on today. I like it. One more item. Earrings. Check these out. Hopefully you guys can see these here. Hopefully it's showing up. So these have some nice sparkle to them too. They have a subtle curve. Hopefully you guys are picking up on that to them. You see that? They have a little bit of a curve, lots of sparkle. Here we go, maybe now you can see. And then they have a straight bar. Very pretty. What do they say about these? These are the Sydney earring. The Sydney earrings have a delicate and simple design, making it both easy to wear and easy to love. The retail value of these are $27, and these are from Ashland Avenue. All right, let's get these on. Okay, so here's what they look like on as a normal earring. I think you could also wear them as a climber earring, so I'll try that as well. But here's what they look like. Very pretty, nice and delicate. What do you guys think? I think they're pretty. Nice and simple and elegant. As I said, I think they'd be good for just about anything. So here's all three pieces. Yeah, I like it. Very simple. All right, let's try the earrings as climbers and see if they'll work. I'm curious. Okay, so here's what they look like as climbers. And then I actually used my second earring to hold it in place there. And I think it looks pretty. They definitely can be climbers as well. Very pretty. What do you guys think? Versatile pieces, right? Multi-uses. You can wear these earrings in different ways. I think they're super nice. So that's all my items. What do you guys think? I will list all of them down below for you, as well as put all the information for Glamour Jewelry Box in case you want to check this out. I do love this subscription. It's one of my favorite collaborations, and I think it is my, aside from Roxbox, it's my only jewelry subscription. I absolutely love it. I have so much fun with this every single month, and I so look forward to it coming all the time. And I love how they curate sets that go together. It's the only one I get that does that, because Roxbox does not do that. So I absolutely love this subscription. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I love each and every piece. And yeah, please hit like and subscribe. I would so appreciate the support. as well as the sidekicks work, because, you know, Wyatt is totally engaged in all of this, and he's so into jewelry, as you can tell, and Zena has just disappeared. I'm sending lots of healthy, happy, bright thoughts to each and every single one of you. I hope everyone is doing well. Praying for each and every one of us to get through this to the end. Hopefully it'll end very, very, very soon. A special thank you to all the essential workers, the medical workers, law enforcement, although those bringing me packages, the post office, you know, everyone who has to go out there every day and make sure that everyone has what they need. And to everyone who's working from home, thank you for staying at home and sending happy, healthy thoughts to each and every one of you. Until next time, everyone, please stay well, and I will see you. Bye-bye.